The VALO X curing lights operation was designed to take out any guesswork and operate effortlessly. It is equipped with 2 curing modes and 2 diagnostic aid modes that are clearly indicated and accessed through the top and bottom buttons. To cycle through curing modes, press and hold the top button. To cycle between diagnostic aid modes, press and hold the bottom button. Alternatively, the VALO X light is equipped with an accelerometer function, allowing you to switch between curing and diagnostic aid modes with tapping motions. To cycle curing modes, wave the VALO X light forward, as if making a drum tap motion. To cycle diagnostic aid modes, wave the VALO X light to the side in a side tap motion. The accelerometer in the VALO X light will also sense motion for turning the curing light on or off. If left inactive, the VALO X light will turn off to conserve power. Picking up or moving the curing light will immediately turn the unit back on. If you wish to put your VALO X light in sleep mode and deactivate the accelerometer, press the top and bottom buttons simultaneously for 1 second. An audible beep will sound, and your VALO X light will be in sleep mode and not wake with movement. To wake from this sleep mode, press any button.